How to fix ham the game is crashing on Steam or the demo if you're playing the demo version. First, you want to go to the library and then right click on the game in your library, open up the properties, and then in the launch options, you want to add hyphen DX11 without spaces, and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is done, you can close out of Steam and open up a new browser tab. Now search for Redist for redistributables. Click on the first Microsoft link. And from here, you want to scroll to the second table and download the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables and install them individually. And if you have them already installed, you can click on the repair button to repair existing installation. And once you're done, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, after the restart, you will need to check if you have the latest GPU updates. You can do that by using your GPU app. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you can have NVIDIA app. And for AMD, you can use the AMD software. And then you will need to make sure to install the latest driver update available. And then you will need to run Steam as admin. Just right click on Steam and run as admin. And now just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crashing issues. And if you still have a black screen issue or crash at the startup, what you can do is disable any overlays that might have enabled. So for example, go to Steam settings and then in-game and turn off the overlay from here. You should do the same for Discord or MSI Afterburner if you have MSI Afterburner. You can basically go to the settings from here and disable the overlay. You should do the same for Discord by going to user settings and then scroll down to game overlay and turn it off. And once you're done, you can simply try to restart the game again, and that should fix the startup crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.